Hello everyone. This is a final project demo for course Web Application Development with Java offered at Johns Hopkins University. This project is done by Sarah Photowat as a solo. The purpose of the project is creating an e-commerce site that enables several users to log on to the website and purchase Science Olympiad sample tests for elementary schools as well as middle school and high school Science Olympiad competition. The design approach is MVC and technology used is Java Servlet, JSP, Pojo, HTML, CSS, JDBC, MySQL, local and cloud, as well as Tomcat. I hope you enjoy. Let us walk through the site as a regular user. My e-commerce site sells Science Olympiad sample tests to help students get prepared for their next competition. When user goes to Science Olympiad homepage, he can either register as a new user, or he can log in as an existing user, or he can simply browse through the site without login, and if he decides to purchase a product, he will be forced later to register, as it's shown in the screen. As part of registration, once user enter all his information into these fields and hit continue, an email confirmation is sent to the user. Let us log in to the user that we just registered. User can click on Browse Catalog, can click on a product, add it to the cart, can continue shopping, add another item, can remove an item, can continue shopping, add to the cart. User can increase number of items in the cart, and eventually user can click on checkout. Checkout makes the port to change to 8443. It's secure. The total of purchase is $54.92. User enter the credit card. Submit the order. Now user has received a confirmation for the order. The total is $54.92. Also, user can click on an invoice PDF. Different font has been used in this PDF and a table has been created. As part of Browse Catalog, products are divided into 3 different categories: Division A for elementary schoolers, Division B for middle schoolers, and Division C for high schoolers. User can search for a particular division, or user can search for a particular subject. I also have a page for Contact Us that all the information about the company is listed. Show card shows all the items that have been added to the cart. At this point, we don't have anything in the cart. And in Browse Catalog, on the right hand side, we have the last 7 product that is offered by our site. User can click on each and add it to the cart, or there is a banner at the footer level that user can click on different product and in the same fashion add it to the cart. Let us walk through the site as an admin user. Besides regular user, I have an admin user with role of admin. Let us log in as an admin. The menu for the admin site is different. Admin can maintain product. Admin can edit a product. Any of these fields can be updated. Let us change the product description. We update it, and once we click on maintain product, the changes that we made is reflected here. Also, a new product can be added. add product. And once we click on the list, the new item that I just added is here. This item also can be deleted. Admin user can also click on display report. Various reports are listed here. The first one is highest product sale. Admin can enter a date period, start and end date. We leave it as it is and click continue. An Excel spreadsheet with the results of the report is downloaded. According to this report, in this period, we sold the most on anatomy and the least in astrology. Admin user can also run the second report, customer's total purchase amount. There's a start and end date that can be entered, but we leave it as it is. An Excel spreadsheet is downloaded. According to this report, the first customer spent about $467 and the last customer spent about $54. These are very valuable information for marketing. Let's review the database. For database, I use MySQL. I have one local version as well as one in the cloud, and my program is able to switch between the two. I have 4 tables. The first table is product table, and here are the columns and the sample values. I have a user table. Here are the columns, and I have a role column where I distinguish between the admin and regular user. I have a table line item where it relates the product to the invoice and quantity of particular product that has been purchased. And here is the invoice where it relates the user to the invoice and shows the total amount on each invoice. I also created a couple of queries in order to write custom reports that will be used by marketing, and later on embedded these queries inside my Java code. Let's review the architecture. In this project, I have used MVC model. I have Java servlets, controllers that dispatch the request. I have JSPs, HTML, and CSS. At the end, thanks to my teachers and the way course was organized, learning incrementally and by hands-on assignments. What I learned so far, I brush up on my skills on programming using HTML, CSS, Servlet, Java, JSP, and Pojo. I learned concept behind e-commerce site, including browse product, order product, add to the cart, checkout, and purchase. Navigation between different user interfaces and use of header, footer, etc. Configuration of secure connection and using it for credit card processing. Creation of email for user registration and order confirmation. Generation of PDF as an invoice. Generation of Excel reports based on database queries for marketing purposes. Manipulation with MySQL database local and in the cloud. Learning to work with Camtasia for making this video. And at the end, learning that it's never too late to learn and refresh knowledge. As my next steps, I would like to learn more about Spring and Hibernate with Java. I would like to learn microservice-oriented architecture and also do some Java development on mobile devices. Thank you for watching my video. My reference book is Java, Servlets, and JSP by Murach.